Yo, how are you doing, my people? It's yet another day na Omode, and Monday. It's the 6th of October 2025, the first Monday of the month. Na atukeraga ini the gino dogo tukinyithia muthenya wa Omode. This is Kikuyu Gossip Club na niĩ njĩtagwo Holy J kũrĩa mwena wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Thaa ici twĩ live kũrĩa mwena wa YouTube na mwena wa Facebook. Angĩkorwo wĩ kũrĩa mwena wa YouTube no ũthi mwena wa Facebook subscribe follow. Angĩkorwo wĩ Facebook no ũthi mwena wa YouTube subscribe na maũndũ nĩmegũkorwo me fiti as usual, every Monday to Friday, nĩtũkaga nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩarĩrĩria maũndũ marĩa makoretwo magĩthiĩ na mbere kana any updates kana anything that needs to be discussed, na nĩkĩo ndĩ haha mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. I want to welcome each and every one of you arĩa maroka show-inĩ ĩno because it is because of you guys that njokaga haha nĩgetha tũkarĩrĩria maũndũ marĩa marathiĩ na mbere. We try to analyze what is happening in politics na maũndũ magakorwo me fiti. Usiboeke this evening, usikwangu naboeka jioni, waboeka ugokaga haha tuka discuss issues na maũndũ magakorwo me fiti. I said niĩ njĩtagwo Holy J kũrĩa mwena wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Ũgĩthi ũnjethe nĩ ũkũnyona na maũndũ nĩmegũkorwo me fiti as usual. Muthenya wa mũthĩ twĩna maũndũ maingĩ mũno marĩa tũgũkorwo tũkĩarĩrĩria. Ũndũ wa mbere nĩ kũrarĩ na event ĩmwe nene mũno mũthenya wa ira. We have to do a review of that event ĩrĩa ĩrarĩ kũrĩa JCM. Bado twĩna very sad news iria ciratũkinyĩra thaa ici gũkũ regarding Shalkido. Nĩtũkorwo tũkĩarĩrĩria ũhoro wa Methu Gachagua, Kiambu politics, a lot of things lined up for you, but before we get there, ni ati umuthi ni kuma mathiko, a very big burial ya andũ arĩa makuire kũrĩa accident-inĩ ĩrĩa yarĩ kũrĩa Palevo Gilgil, na adona very disturbing images cia ũrĩa kuma kũu mathiko-inĩ, and you know some things are very humbling bana. You know some things are very humbling. Ndona mbica ta ici cigĩthiĩ na mbere na go trend kũrĩa nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria, na hizi inaonyesha hiyo mazishi yenye ilikuwa kule hivyo. Some of the members had already been buried, na angĩ mathikirwo mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. 14 family members now buried, and it's a very sad story kuona maũndũ ta maya magĩthiĩ na mbere. We hope that at least there will be some regulations iria cirabuatĩrĩrwo nĩgetha tuone kana nĩtũkũreduce maũndũ ta maya, but anyway we can't blame anyone. It was just an accident. Mimi hata nimeshangaa ati Shalkido ameenda. Now let's get to the stories. Natukoje na story ya Shalkido. No bere ya tuigirete hari story yo. I want to play just a small video of Shalkido. As we try to figure out what really happened and what has really happened to Shalkido. Now, arĩa moĩ Shalkido kuma tene, Shalkido aingĩrire industry ĩno ya entertainment eta mũini wa Gengeton. If you can remember those days, ainaga hamwe na group yetagwo Sailors. Sailors comprises of kina Peter Miracle Baby, Shalkido now, kina Lexil, kina a good number of people, na nĩo mafomire the first groups of Gengeton iria ciachachishire na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno. But you know what guys, things happened na afterwards nĩtuonire Shalkido kila mtu alienda his own ways, na Shalkido akianjia kũina mũgithi akiita Shalkido Gashosho, and things went south. Na recently turona achuma moto DJ Sonny M, Kikuyu Star TV mathiĩte kũmũcerera augĩte atĩ ena maũndũ aragerera. And you know most of the times area men are assumed when there's something about mental health, but I thank God that nĩmonire arĩ wega mathi mamũcerere na maigue story yake. And you know ndakorwo ngĩthikĩrĩria a part of that interview ĩrĩa mekire mũthenya ũcio, and it is humbling, I can say that, to know that those were some of the last times of Shalkido.
ngoro ona meciria makwa wirio ndungi nawe mwaka wakwa
kaida yake na rudi milioni sijui kujipanga sijui nini mani yana niki na mani pia rodi na mukiko sana nishukuru sana nodo
kwa sherehe
gale rodi soso ito kitumilia date sial kidu ga soso nyodo my mom aliniacha nikiwa na 2 months old kwa choo tu nito alikia form 4 toto ragari na Mlambezi ijajipa getha muno mwalimu ni ndikuwa ngoro getha mwalimu muno
gacho
ya ona nenda urathimo-ini studio imani njita ko sharti na jikararo iro imani na ndenda gokono goka guthambia kuwe heiwera yega kiandika ona mundu wetagwo Fatso to niwe wari official DJ bitu wa Mlambezi riu ni twandika twambie gwitoka show kamwe riu tugithundu ni twanyitana riu twi group ya andu 5 riu tutiakomaga kesho tumetoka soni na kacha tukumita rwimbo rwitagwo packaging gai hai riu ni watara ona ndwekire kigerio no packaging ni irakonengera kindu ngiri 20 show ukiambia kuiga kimau tugika kindu gitagwo Queen Bee machine hit after hit.
You know, after interview niguo tuonire athiete kuria kwa Obina show na akiuma kwa Obina show ni ateithikire. Tuliona pale hivyo aliweza kusaidika in a very big way. Akigirirwa nduthi maisha yake ka change pale hivyo agicokerera woini but what we are hearing right now is that ni aragire na accident over the weekend na atwarwa kuria thibitari-ini wa KU. Things have happened na thaici ndagitari marauga ati he is brain dead. Dona andu angi mapostite already ni arikitie gututiga. Dona Chumamoto apostite uguo and it is something that inafanya manze pale hivyo unakuwa na a lot of questions and a lot of things you really want manze to know what happens in life bana. Agikoro something like that na mtu ashatuacha. Day FM tuned. I really appreciate seeing you here. Gayakora athimemeni. Tukauga if whatever is going to happen to Shalkido turamuhoera Ngai mambo ikuwe fiti, but if the worst comes to the worst, at least atakuwa ametuacha manzi his dreams ama ateithikite uria endaga at the moment. Aikono rikana wega Shalkido ana Kenya Kenya na njira imwe nene muno, ana bamba Kenya hideo ya Gengeton. Remember hideo it happened that Dare among one of the student leaders in Machakos University na nturetweta sailors na mthenya ucio twametire that night they had performed. It was the third event moka ago perform muthenya ucio that night na so alikuwa nafika huko hivyo around kama 3:30 yuko hivyo in the morning. So warora ni unaona at least Shalkido has lived his life to some point and he has been like amekuwa satisfied to the last time. Anyway, tutio uria guguthi na mbere, we will still wait for official communication iria cigukorwo cikirekererio and the relevant authorities but from Holy J TV and Kikuyu Gossip Club we wish him all the best na kama if he won't make it, may his soul rest in peace. Ikono rikane Boniface Mwangi uria wakuire maandamano-ini. Ilisemekana pia at some point alikuwa brain dead na after brain dead akatuacha. So dio it is a very hard and very tough evening right now kuri Kenya na andu aria mendete Shalkido, andu aria mendete Mugithi na andu aria mendete Gengeton na andu aria mendete Shalkido in general. I don't know what we can say right now, but let's go to the next story now. Hena event irari muthenya wa ira and it was one of the shockers. Goku Kikuyu Gossip Club tugaga shocker, tukiuga shocker ukamenya it was a shocking thing, like ilikuwa kitu banga na hiyo irari shocker na not many people expected that and it went in a way that Bazu tuna conclude na kusema that yeye ndio Bazu wa Gen Z. I have done a small video of the recap of all that happened. Kaluma Boy akiingia pale hivyo, michango pale hivyo, baba Kaluma Boy akiongea, and let us have a look at this video. After hii video tutatry kuchambua manze tuone zile parts pale hivyo. Ila Drari event hiyo, Drari kanitha, na nikona a lot of things, a lot of reviews share event, you know, ni vile manze digeka show ya event hiyo evika todo I'm so opinionated, nitajikuta kwingine nimeongea vitu sifai kuongea, but anyway, let us see what happened there.
Ukanigetha ugeithie ciana ici, unaweza ongea Kiswahili, unaweza ongea Kikuyu. Baba yetu, hakuna lugha ambayo umekatazwa na wana you feel comfortable with. Karibu sana.
Wakenya wenzangu walio hapa na walio abroad na marafiki wetu wote, hamjamboni? Hata Mofam na Chris Aimani na wasalimia. Asante sana waliotupa vitu vyao. Mimi nimeshapona na Mungu mbona.
Amen. Hallelujah. Hey!
Pia namshukuru mtoto wangu aliye hapa, anaitwa Kaluma, anaitwa Penzeka Kue. Amefanya maajabu. Hata bibi yangu hapa amenitunza vyema. Asanteni.
Amen. Amen. Wangapi wanaamini baba yetu atapona? Tukitoka
So humbling, man. So humbling. Mani ukiona modu aruteto from a certain level of pain to a level of rejoicing, to a level of not going back to poverty again and not going back to problems again. It's so humbling. Ironionia, the spirit of compassion being taken to the youth, and the youth accepting the spirit of compassion. And you know, Bazu ability rhetoric yake in compassion, na it is now paying off. It is not paying off. Now dirikana hede JCA mekia jene kware bara nyingi muno cia compassion, and unfortunately some went to extreme levels, but thaishi nedrari gwa muno some of those people are mari agents of that confusion, that that compassion is not true. What do they have to say right now? Neki mage yomeria mauge thaishi, seeing that a whole generation has come through and has come in support of Bishop Ben's compassion. You know, aside from that, kulikuwa mambo mingi sana. 2 million shillings was raised in 30 minutes. You know, that was historic. Gotire digoshiria something like that imewaifanyika on that altar of JCM. Sidhani Henod Toshio uri wahanika anywhere in Ruiru that Gen Z's Maria Yumeria na design yeo, and they are so supportive and they are so determined to change the life of their colleague's dad. Man, history was written yesterday. Na ndronire Bazu, Bishop Ben, napenda kumuita Bazu, araugaga ati KPLC walizima stima na Safaricom mara corona network shirakorwo cijamitwo. Kwa net kuna kitu inaitangwa jamming takoria tari Ruto akoragwo kuna kwanga TX fulani na kwanga na area hivyo ya kujam network kusikwe na network. It is being said that muthenya waira network ilijamiwa around JCM nigetha gutiga corona net adu matikaingire live na something like that. Na issue ya KPLC kuratwikire ati marahoririe thitima na maracokia after event ya JCM, like the main aim was event ya JCM ndikahuthire mwaki wa KPLC. And so a lot of things happened yesterday. Kwina review nyingi muno cia event ya ira togiamwa ko me review no tuikare ha ginya Rojo Kanoke, because a lot of things happened, a lot of amazing, a lot of unimaginable things happened, and all thanks to everyone who participated in that. Now, aside from that, nitoroni Bishop Ben niraugire ati aside from helping Baba Kaluma get well, niekuingira mubango-ini wa guteithia mama gift uria ugacangirwo tariki 26 mweri uyu kuria Embu. Na arauga ati specifically niyataenda na niyata agakorwo niwe mutabania wa igongona riu. So in short, Bazu ni aingirĩtie harĩ gikundi giki kia Gen Zs, Kenyans for Kenya. And let's wait and see what Bazu is up to.
Mimi mwenyewe na hiyo mimi mwenyewe ndio nitahubiri kwa kina Gift. Are we together with that? MC Chris kwa kina Gift, mtafute uwanja mzuri. Nitawapea ile track ya JCM. Na stage mtengeneze kwa kina Gift vizuri. Huyo mtoto tukitoka kwao Sunday, Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday aingie ndege aende India.
Genuine celebration from the crowd bana. Inaonyesha manzi massive support from the people. I can't wait to see what is going to happen in the days after, when now Bazu ameingia kwa hizo Kenyans for Kenya, and this is going to be massive. Not to get it tuone uria gukorwo. In other news ni ati Kaluma Boy ni aronire scholarship, full scholarship, na fafa warakoro atatibiwa free of charge. Maracangirwo haria bia cia go start business ya mamu ao. Yani it was just amazing. Another thing that caught my attention is the Nduthi culture. Na Nduthi culture ni njui agikorwo wi mundu ingira kuria online na gufuatirira maundu mangi. I know you know Nduthi guy anaitangwa Brayo, athia ajaionyesha uso yake, and so the guy was there na alihave kwenda hadi pale hivyo mbele. Agithi haria mbere ni akoragwo na kamera ile haya haria Nduthi-ini, and there was some resistance pale hivyo from the JCM security. Now dona video ya Brayo ya kamera hiyo yake akoragwo nayo Nduthi-ini, and this is crazy, man. This is crazy, yo. Kitu moja ni ati Njoroge James alistruggle kuhandle crowd. Juu yo alikuwa tu pale hivyo, tukae chini, naomba tutulie, tukae chini. to a point that MC Chris niwe urathire hau go calm down the crowd. This was super amazing, guys. Noma sana. Rĩu Bazu nĩ abatie athondeke event nyingĩ iria cira involve the youth. Tondũ right now it is evident that the only man of God that can be listened to by the youth and the Gen Zs is Bishop Ben. Na ona iconorikane ona nowe wathikire Boniface Mwangi. Na akĩmuthika, it was a very controversial burial. Nĩ mathiko metereirwo na anxiety ĩmwe nene mũno. Andũ makienda kũmenya what is going to happen. Are the Gen Z is going to react like how they reacted mathiko-inĩ ma Ojwang. You know, na agĩtabania mathiko macio na magĩkorwo me fiti. Koguo the only person, man of God right now, ũrĩa ũngĩaminio nĩ Gen Z is Bishop Ben. Na that is a very big task yenye amekewa pale hivyo, because right now he has the task of making sure manze what the Gen Zs are doing is right. Anyway, to whom much is given, much is expected. So Bishop Ben, we expect a lot from you now that Gen Z niwe maraigua. But anyway, I don't know what you guys think about that. After how Gen Z ni marathire after party rare kirafu fulani mena DJ Dibul, na pale hivyo pia walimba gahini yako magathina. It was so crazy and so amazing kuona this generation wanafika pale hivyo in church walikuwa wanalia manze, wanalia pale wakiomba huko na many God is here, man. Anyway, ndio maoni manyu megiĩ ũhoro ũcio. In other news ni ati muthenya wa ira nĩ kurarĩ bado na event kadha wa kadha, and one of those events nĩ kurarĩ na etagwo atia ndĩmwe ithe wa Methu. Kurari na ithe wa Methu na Methu mwenyewe na baba Methu pale hivyo ugwetwo mũndũ ugwetwo wa Muratha haria ni ara clarify that they are not enemies with Methu, na kajaribu kusafisha rada pale hivyo. I want you guys to listen to what she actually said, kiria araugire na uria Methu aracokirie, afu muniambia who is the beast here, man.
Muthikiririe ũndũ ũngĩ ngũmwĩra, mbara cia teti itikamumenithanie. Mwatinda mũkiona hau tũgĩtheka na Methu niĩ, na nĩ mũĩ tũtiugaga ũndũ ũmwe. Methu nĩ one time na niĩ ndĩtuta kĩa hinya biũ na Methu na nĩ muona ũrĩa tũratheka na tũkageithania, na nĩ muona rĩu we ndũngĩngeithia tondũ ndirauga ũrĩa Methu aroiga, no Methu nĩ twageithania.
Wa Muratha ndeto icio waria warekeria nacio tuticiaragia kanitha-inĩ nĩ tũ harĩa tũciaragĩria hĩndĩ ona tũthiaga nginya na ngari cia macini o twacemania na andũ tũkamera ũrĩa tũrenda, na ningĩ tondũ onao marauga ũrĩa tũrauga, na wĩ mũgĩ mũno tondũ hau warĩkĩrĩria rĩ ũmenyere ndũkwanjia naho tondũ nĩ hekũhĩtana kono wanjiria naho ũrĩa mũndũ mũgĩ ndũngĩtwo mũndũ ũtarĩ mũgĩ mũno makĩria. Na nĩ wauga no anjakithia mũno wauga atĩ nĩ tũrageithania nawe. Wa Muratha no nginya ingĩikara ngĩmũgeithagia, nĩ mũkĩmenya Wa Muratha no mũrata wakwa mũno. Ũngĩrora mĩtambo-inĩ andũ nĩ mauga atĩ nĩ twĩtainwo nawe. Ndaingĩ nĩ mauga Wa Muratha nĩ twĩtainwo nake kũmenya aciari na maũndũ marĩa mangĩ agakĩmena mũno makĩria. No tondũ Bishop ndigũkĩenda kwaria maũndũ maingĩ.
He hĩndĩ Wa Muratha arĩ show ya Kĩrĩrĩmbĩ Inoro TV, na kũu agĩchachicira Methu na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno, na akiuga atĩ Methu erĩgĩte gũtitika president, deputy president na ũtongoria wothe wa bũrũri nginya kũrĩa Nyandarua mathike mũthuri ũtarĩ baba wao, in the name of atĩ nĩ baba wao. Na ũhoro ũcio nĩ waturire Methu na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno, na Methu akĩyumĩria na akiuga atĩ toko rĩu ũcio nĩwe baba wao ũcio rĩu Wa Muratha. And that is where all this started, and from that time these guys have not been seeing each other eye to eye. Mind you, ate umwe mwena wa two term ucio ni Wa Muratha, nake Methu strongly in one term. So in that event ilikuwa a light moment na kupikana tu banters pale hivyo kidogo, and you know Wa Muratha wanted to echo dako ni no ũhoro ũcio, but Methu has revived that comedy and that beef and that whole story surrounding Wamrava being called Baba Medho. I don't know vile kutaendelea na kuenda na hiyo story, but you can also comment down there and tell us what you think. Nasikia sauti imeanza kuleta. Imerudi fiti. Yo. Shh. 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 You have sound issues, my people. Shh. Shh. Mgoje tuunde sound bana je. Pia ni one time. Shh. Yeah, we are good now. I think we are good now. Next story. Mnanisikia? Hebu niambieni kama mnanisikia. Shh. Yo. Last time we had sound issues, today we still have sound issues. Jui mic tutafanyia aje. Yo. Shh. Yo. So nikaa tutaendelea hivyo na eko tu juu tutigetia story igire tu turikie show ya mothe. So nikaa tutaendelea tu hivyo. Nimũgũthikĩrĩria ndĩna eko nginya nginya turikie show. Naona nikaa imeisha, si ndo? I think imeisha saizi. We good to go. Hebu niambie jera ikana sound ye fiti. Aria me hau ukicomment hapo hivyo inaonekana hapa hivi nitaweza kuisoma. So agikora sound ni iraiguika wega na ujire hau nigetha tuthi na mbere. So muthenya wa muthi bado ni kuma na mucemanio wa siasa Kalonzo Musyoka and Gachagua and the entire opposition mama Korea Kitui. And you know they are going to Kitui because next week William Ruto will be camping there. Ni gukorwo na public holiday, na public holiday yo irekirwo kuria mwena wa Kitui. And you know Kitui kwena ga stadium karari novetwo na ni guguthondekwo state launch. And so this impact might make some people from Kitui mathie mwena wa two-term. And so no ginya Kalonzo atware batoni yake kuria nigetha ma neutralize ground. And so bado kwena issues cia Nĩgũkoretwo na issues cia madawa cikoretwo cikĩhĩtũkĩrio JKIA using some of the CSs, that is according to Rigathi Gachagua. Na bado nĩgũkoretwo na ũhoro wa what do you call it, nĩgũkoretwo na ũhoro wa ndwari ya Raila Odinga na ĩkoretwo ĩkĩblamirwo ũhoro ũcio kana direct iyo kana rumors icio kana all that story surrounding Raila Odinga's sickness uraigĩrĩrwo Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo, maũndũ macio mothe. And so they have come to respond to this, and in a short clip of Kalonzo Musyoka, not Kalonzo Musyoka, of Rigathi Gachagua akĩarĩrĩria mohoro maya mothe. And this is what he said today.
Huyu William Ruto ametuumiza na mambo ya madawa ya kulevya na mihadarati. Katika baraza la mawaziri amechagua maminista wawili ambaye ni wanaguzi ya madawa ya kulevya. Juzi hapo airport watu wamepatikana, wale wanatembea na waziri wake ambaye ndio wanauza madawa ya kulevya ya cocaine. William Ruto, tunakuambia kama unapenda watoto ya Kenya, hata kama umewapiga risasi, huyu waziri wako ambaye anauza madawa ya kulevya umtimue kutoka baraza la mawaziri. Sasa nimeona jana hii watu ya
not just that nä gå koretwo na expose yarekereirio nä KTN angäkorwo nä wonaga news nä njå nä wonete expose ä yo na expose ä yo ä ronania må ndå fulani agäteithä må ndå å kuä te ndawa cia kå rebia gå kä rä kana kå find his way through JKIA and CCTV footage wacirora wega cirakuonia mundu ucio agiteithiririo nginya agikinya riu haria riu atigitie riu kuingira ndege and the girl was headed to I think London na akinya kou first thing no kunyitwo aranyitirwo because of the drugs, but you know in JKIA the guy went through ni undu wa guteithiririo gwekwo uthuthuria wega mundu ucio uramuteithiririe ku find his way through JKIA. Pisha ciake cironekana hamwe na one of the CSs in William Ruto's government. Koguo gũgakorwo na ciũria cia is William Ruto really against maũndũ maya ma ndawa cia kũrebia kana he is for maũndũ maya mathi na mbere na andũ mendere na mbere na gwĩtongia na ndawa cia kũrebia well other Kenyans are suffering. Na aside from that bado kwina uhoro wa Raila Odinga ni murwaru and Rigathi Gachagua also had to respond on that.
Huyu William Ruto ametuumiza na mambo ya madawa ya kulevya na mihadarati. Katika baraza la mawaziri amechagua maminista wawili ambao jana hii watu ya ODM wakileta upuzi ati hiyo mzee yao ako na matatizo ati wanataka kuwekelea Kalonzo na mimi. Kalonzo ni bakteria, yeye ni virus. Sasa maneno ya ugonjwa Kalonzo na mimi tunaingilia wapi? Sisi tunatakia hiyo mzee mema. Tunataka wakuwe pamoja na Ruto, tuwafukuze pamoja kwa debe 2027. Harambe! Harambe!
If you thought politics inaenda kuisha Kenya, then you are very wrong because we are 1 year and some months away from elections. Na thaici kuhana tari we are 2 months away from the elections. Uraigua siasa left, right and center. Uyu agicokeria uyu agipasha uyu akiaririria horo uyu and you know it's a beehive of activities in the political arena. We just keep calm tuone maundu uria meguthi na mbere. At this time you're expecting a lot of formations. Thaici tutire sure on the formations iria ciho. Tutire sure kana united opposition will be united. We are not sure if Raila will be with Kasongo. We are not sure about a lot of things in politics. Kwena maundu mengi muno mena uncertainties, so only time will tell. I'm sure by the time kurakinya end of 2026 maundu nimekorwo meigite nitukumenya uyu ni urarugamio ni opposition mwena uyu ungi wa two term mebangite u. It's just a time to wait and enjoy right now as wanasiasa wanabishana kule hivyo. I don't know what you guys think about that story. Ndakorwo ngiona a story ingi muthenya wa muthi na ni story I think I have that video. Ni gwakorwo na uhoro wa ira on Sunday the governor of Kiambu nirariririe uhoro wa madagitari na the allegations that ciana makiria ya igana rimwe ne cikuite ever since riria mugomo wa dagitari wajirie county-ini ya Kiambu. Let's start this story from here that madagitari kurihwo that is devolved ucio ni wira wa counties and in Kiambu county dagitari makoretwo makigoma. This is the 5th month and guys, you don't know how that has affected the healthcare industry. Kuratuika ati dagitari matikoretwo wira for all those months ni undu ni magomete. And you know as at now report ironanagia ati ciana ni cikuite ile time ya delivery unakuta wakidi wamededi and to the tune of more than 100. And you know, this is alarming. And now Anthony governor muthenya waira kana ithaini wa PCA, one of the PCA churches in Kiambu County, akiyumiria na kuga ati hayo ni propaganda na ni watu wanaeneza hiyo mambo ili kumharibia jina. So let's listen to what he said.
Uhoro wa ma na nie ndi muthuri mugima ndi na ciana ciakwa na mutumia na ndi muhonoku tuhe mwandu aitu gutire mwana oro no mwe ciana citu tire undu ucio cikwite. Icio ni propaganda, ni maheni. Guku angikorwo kwe mundu kwite thibitari no uria mundu athiaga kwa nie mwale wa maitu arakuire kiumia igiri hituku. My own sister ale murwaru agithie thibitari arakua ihinda riake ria kinya na turamuhurukia turamuthika na gitio. Andu aria angi othe na tuinaga rwimbo tukaiga gukwo no muhaka tugagikua gikuo kingikinya kiria natural andu ma mundu ahuruka ni uru muno guthie kugeria kuhura siasa na gikuo kia mundu hindi andu aria angi maracakaya kuigirira ciana gikuo ni undu muru muno makiria. Na ndimurie tondu ni ndaikara thi ndimurie atiriri mbeca cianyuire ndimwitagia ri na madagitari maya mathiete amwe aria mathiete kuria strike ndina madagitari 350 200 ma 40 me wira 100 makarega guka ati nginya manyitane na union nigetha ngaheaga union mbeca na ni muwe gutire kihoto gya kuga ati utwarire mundu mbeca mucie gwake kana ti gwandu itu ni ndoigire mundu wothe urenda wira ni acoke na madagitari mau mothe mundu urenda wira acoke wira-ini acoka wira rute mau mangi ni tukuiguithania wira-ini no uhoro wa kuga ati ndwaragire mundu mbeca nyumba ati nigetha etikire gucoka wira hau ni harari tuhira kemanu wa matangi tondu nani gutu ndarerirwo tuhe mwandu.
You know, negukoretwo na controversies nyingi muno. Master Devi, Maimahi, well represented. You're welcome. Tajira kana thauti yako AFT, Master Devi. Now, on this issue ya healthcare, agikorwo hena maundu tutafati ukorwo tugithaka namo ni maundu ta healthcare. Because tell me how for 5 months negukoretwo na mugomo. And governor kuyumiria na kuga ati ciana icio ciakuire natural deaths. That does not justify that dagitari ni magomete mieri 5. It does not justify why those doctors are still on strike. Migomo kona corona migomo. Niyo nijuyo niyo na kuma riria ndaingirire boarding anga class 3 anga class 4. Ukoretwo na migomo ya arimu. Na hiyo migomo wiwe yendi ati ata more than ata ona deni nagaona mweri. Because you come to an agreement. Mutongoria ni kunyitithania andu, making sure that mwena uyu wi sawa na mwena uyu wi sawa nigetha maundu mathi na mbere. Otherwise hatari na mutongoria andu matingĩiguana. That is the work of a leader, to unite people and to neutralize any disagreements that are there. Koguo kwiyumiria na kuga ati dagitari mieri 5 diaga keke ciana icio ciakuire natural deaths, it still does not justify that. But anyway, governor ni arauga ati hena maundu marathi na mbere, na of course ni ukoretwo na politics nyingi muno cirathakwo Kiambu. Ni tukoretwo tukiona maundu macio magithi na mbere, but I believe something can be done. It's still not late. Something can be done for the healthcare of Kiambu, because Kiambu is very critical. Kiambu ikoragwo a bedroom ya Nairobi to this side bordering Murima. It is the bedroom of Nairobi, and so a lot of people aria me Kiambu ni aria me Nairobi. Na koguo, if healthcare cannot be good in Nairobi and in Kiambu, and the population of Nairobi is so big, Nairobi ikoragwo na andu na mataikaraga kuu. You cannot, ndiyo kana muranielewa, but anyway, governor ni akorwo akiaririria uhoro ucio, and that is how he has talked about that issue. Ni ndio maoni maku megie uhoro uyo. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about that story. That has been the show of the day. Ndimwire pore muno. My apologies for the sound. Last time tulikuwa shida ya sound. Mothe bado nitoage thina wa sound katakati ga show. I hope and pray that tugika show ya rucio tutigukora na thina wa sound. I love you so much. Kure mwena wa YouTube ni Holy J, kure mwena wa Facebook ni Holy J. Kikuyu Gossip Club nirio ritwa ria show ino, na I really appreciate seeing you people here. Sure no demeka ni ndo ado tainywe. Mtu yote mwenye anakujanga hapa hivi tuna chill. It's never that serious on Kikuyu Gossip Club. Na modu daga kuaga show ino Norito ate sijui nini a lot of seriousness. No. This is just a live Kikuyu podcast where we come analyze stories and that's it. Before to komete, not all wonaga news kanatia. It has been your boy Holy J na demwira ni thegi muno. Tucemanie rucio, same time, same place, different discussion.